Vstupte, welcome.
But the heritage people did not forget about it. They said it's an old bell, it needs protecting. So
Tak, hoďte si ho. Pohoď si ho taky ještě. Tak.
Not too much luck, can we? They like to come from all over the world, with bells from St Martin's in the Fields. We've got the 12 bells from St Martin's in the Fields and 6 new ones. Once upon a time, the very original church was literally in the fields.
Nekřič tolik, Herko, tady se, ty jsi jak z divokých vajec se sklín. Buď v klidu.
Quasimodo.
Ještě zvoní.
Keep it going.
Už nemá zvon.
There you go. Come forward. No, you do it. I'm just letting you go. There you go. Keep it going. Yeah, you've got one now, come here. You've done this before? Yeah, you've got one now too. Wonderful, well, good. Okay, bring your bells to a standstill. Each bell is a different note. Each bell is a different weight. These are... You got the knack? Yeah, yes. Might take that up. The bells are all over a quarter of a tonne. So they're not really light. Quarter of a tonne on the long piece of rope. That means the other bells are much heavier, yes? So swap over. Come and have another go. You're waiting for the big one. Just let me see your face. Oh, it's on video. Yeah. Come on, video.
Yeah.
Blackpool? Or just near Blackpool? California. We came from California. Yeah.
Tak, no to je ono, takhle musíte.
Tam jde, jak se to jmenuje?
Jdeme.
Přívoz tam. Ale počkej, Karel, to zkusím udělat fotku taky.
Ano.
Od něčeho, od Anzaku, Spirit Life, že by ho 4 roky renomovali. Ja. Pani, nebuďte...
Taky nerozumný záběry.
Víš, kde by šlo? Aha,